Modern construction demands strength, precision, and reliability. At LRKD Industries, we're here to showcase the unsung hero of structural safety. TC bolts are a revolutionary solution for connecting steel structures. Unlike conventional bolts, these high-strength fasteners offer pre-tensioning accuracy, ensuring your structure is not just built, but fortified. Designed to meet stringent safety standards, TC bolts prevent joint loosening caused by vibrations or dynamic forces. Their unique torque-shear mechanism guarantees consistent clamping force, making them ideal for high-stress projects like bridges, skyscrapers, and industrial facilities. Here's why TC bolts are a game-changer. Faster installation. No need for torque wrenches, saving time and labor. Enhanced durability. Resistant to wear and stress over time. Greater precision. Built-in fail-safe design ensures bolts are installed to exact tension. For more information and assistance, contact us today at 646-880-6778, or you can visit our website at www.lrkdindustries.com.